Why Allah makes you wait, the hidden wisdom behind your pain and delays. Have you ever felt like your life is not moving, like you're stuck in a place of delay, confusion, or silent struggle, and you keep asking, Ya Allah, why is this taking so long? A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. My brothers and sisters, let's talk heart to heart today. Sometimes we think progress only looks like success, comfort, and ease, but Allah teaches us something very different. Growth often comes wrapped in difficulty. Elevation comes dressed as hardship, and preparation comes disguised as pain. You see, before Allah gives someone a mission, He prepares the person, and preparation is not always gentle. Think about the way Allah shapes a human being. A child is not born strong. Strength is built, wisdom is built, patience is built. And how are they built? Through experiences that stretch us beyond what we thought we could handle. Just like metal must go through fire to be shaped, just like muscles must tear slightly to grow stronger, the believer's heart is trained through trials. Nothing you go through is random. Every disappointment, every delay, every closed door, every tear you cried at night when no one knew. It is all part of a design you cannot yet see. Allah does not rush His plans. He develops people the way a master craftsman shapes something precious, slowly, carefully, with purpose in every step. Sometimes we ask for a blessing, but Allah first builds the person who can carry that blessing without being destroyed by it. If success came too early, pride might ruin us. If comfort came too soon, we might forget Allah. If answers came instantly, we would never learn trust. So Allah lets us wait, not because He is ignoring us, but because He is working on us. My brothers and sisters, patience in Islam is not passive. It is not sitting and doing nothing. True patience means continuing to obey Allah even when life hurts. It means still praying when you're tired, still being honest when it's hard, still choosing halal when temptation is easier. Because every time you choose Allah over your ego, something inside you is being refined. And here's something beautiful. While you feel alone in your struggle, you are never unwatched. Allah sees the silent battles. Allah sees the effort no one appreciates. Allah sees the restraint when you wanted to react. Allah sees the du'a you whisper with a tired heart. And Allah never wastes that. There are moments in life when things get harder right before they change. The pressure increases, people misunderstand you, doors close, you feel like giving up. But often, that is the moment just before Allah opens a new path. The night is darkest before dawn, and spiritually, the same is true. Before relief, there is usually deep reliance on Allah. Before ease, there is surrender. Before elevation, there is humility. Your pain is not proof that Allah is distant. Sometimes it is proof that He is shaping you for something greater than what you asked for. The believer's journey is not about avoiding hardship. It is about walking through hardship with faith. So when life feels heavy, don't only ask, when will this end? Also ask, Ya Allah, what are you building inside me through this? Maybe He is building patience, maybe strength, maybe detachment from dunya, maybe a heart that turns to Him first instead of last. And remember, Allah's help often comes in ways we never expected, at times we never planned, but it comes to the heart that remains connected, that keeps remembering Him, that keeps returning even after falling. Stay consistent in your prayer. Keep your tongue alive with dhikr. Turn your pain into du'a. Turn your waiting into worship. Because the one who keeps walking toward Allah, even slowly, even limping, is never abandoned. Your delay has wisdom. Your struggle has purpose. Your story is still being written. And one day you will look back and realize the phase you wanted to escape was the phase that built who you needed to become. May Allah make our trials a means of purification, our waiting a means of elevation, and our hearts firm upon His remembrance. Ameen. Like, comment, and subscribe for more peaceful Islamic reminders like this. For more uplifting Islamic motivation, faith-boosting messages, and heart-softening reminders, watch the full playlist in the description. Heart-touching Islamic reminders, motivation, faith, and hope. Alhamdulillah.